The Indian Navy has received acceptance of necessity for 195 new naval platforms, comprising 69 ships, 6 submarines, and 120 fast interceptor crafts. Bharat Electronics Limited and French firm Thales will jointly manufacture microwave modules in India for the SPECTRA electronic warfare suite used on the Rafale fighter jet. The Indian Coast Guard has commissioned the 5th Adamya-Class fast patrol vessel built by Goa Shipyard Limited, with 3 more vessels remaining under the 8-ship order. A Royal Malaysian Air Force Su-30 aircraft has been spotted fitted with Indian-made MRF Aero muscle tires, which offer a 35% cost advantage over Russian alternatives, while fully meeting demanding operational requirements. DRDO's Armament Research and Development Establishment is developing polymer-cased ammunition and cased telescopic ammunition that will reduce cartridge weight by 30%, easing soldier load and logistics, while maintaining the same ballistic performance and reliability. After Hindustan Aeronautics Limited detected a technical defect in the 6th F404 engine delivered by General Electric during routine quality inspections, HAL has formally requested urgent technical assistance from General Electric. Engine specialists from General Electric are expected to arrive in India shortly to inspect the engine and determine whether it can be repaired locally. If local rectification is not feasible, General Electric will dispatch a replacement engine. Following the successful completion of Phase 1 and Phase 2 of India's ballistic missile defense program, the DRDO has officially launched BMD Phase 3 Next Generation Missile Shield. The new phase will introduce 2 dedicated interceptor systems, ADA-H anti-hypersonic interceptor, that will intercept highly maneuverable hypersonic glide vehicles traveling at Mach 5+ speed, and ADAM anti-MRF interceptor, designed to engage multiple independently targeted warheads and advanced low-flying cruise missiles. As British engine manufacturer Rolls-Royce steps up its campaign for India's future 120 kN AMCA engine program, serious debate has resurfaced over whether India should replace the 98 kN American F414 with the 90 kN Eurojet EJ-200 for both the Tejas Mark II and AMCA Mark I, as US engine supply delays have effectively kept India's 3 indigenous fighter programs hostage to foreign dependence. A switch to the EJ-200 will diversify engine suppliers and align with Rolls-Royce's roadmap for a future 120 kN engine developed in partnership with DRDO for AMCA Mark II. Switching engines at this stage would require extensive redesign and recertification of both aircraft, delaying both programs by several years, but the 90 kN EJ-200 has a promising upgrade roadmap, with 103 kN and 120 kN variants currently under development. Negotiations between India and Russia for the acquisition and local production of the Su-57 fifth-generation fighter have reached an advanced stage, and latest reports indicate that Moscow has provided India with detailed technical information on the Su-57 and has shown maximum responsiveness to Indian requirements, particularly regarding production localization, source code access and industrial participation. The offer also includes the localization of Russian-origin long-range air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles, integration of Indian-developed systems to increase indigenous content. Russian officials have also informed that the Su-57 has accumulated real combat experience in area denial environments, operating against dense air defense networks and sophisticated electronic warfare systems, which validates the aircraft's capabilities under modern combat conditions. Today's top 3 comments.